All right. All right, I think I know what the problem is. Motherfucker, dude. I think it doesn't have a type, which is weird. Oh, sorry. Type. Weapons. Boom. That is the issue. Ooh. Okay, so now it should collect. I think we fixed and finished weapons. And by we, I mean me. And I think I did it today. So let's check. So now I should be able to collect it. Yep. And now I should be able to use it. Yep. Equip. Yay. So now you see my image changed. Thought I set the static image for right. Let me double check. I thought I did that. I thought I did it. Why in no work? Those images are there. Yeah, we did static right. How come static right is not working? Oh my fucking god. Stop trying to sign me out, dude. What was it doing then? What image is this? This is... Oh, right. It's not static right? It should be static right. Right. That's... Yeah, oh, well that's static right. This is what it should be. Static right, katana. So when I stop walking, it's not switching the static. Okay, well then that's the problem. The static is not working for the weapon images. Is that Donald Trump? What, behind me? What up, Jay? No. If you're talking about that painting behind me, it's not Donald Trump. That is me. That my kid drew. Kind of funny looking though. And now if I want, I can equip. fist again, and I'm back to normal. All right, let's see what's wrong with static right. We need to get those working. So let's go try this locally. Oh. The fuck? Yeah. So that's normal. Starts with static down. And then it moves to, yeah, just right. Okay, let's get static right working. I don't know why static's not working. Static, set static. So when I let go, it should be doing static. But for some reason, static ID is not getting set. Is it because the direction maybe? Shouldn't be. Let's check if this is even getting hit. Oops, shoot. That's on direction. Maybe direction's coming up as nothing because of the weapons. All right, let's see what we're getting. So close, so close. Okay, so it's just not passing direction. Good to know. So, what is this? Stop walking. Wait, why am I not passing direction? If direction is, oh, dragging is that. Oh, no, it's window. Then that. If that's not that, then that. Okay. Static ID is coming from the character image. I'm adding that. Okay, so maybe direction doesn't matter. Let's see what static version is. Let's also look what static ID is. All right. Go forth and prosper. Hey, boy with dream. How's it going, bud? Okay. So that's correct. That's correct. Wait. Static ID is correct. Oh shit, it already has the weapon in it. Am I adding that already? Where's static ID coming from? Okay. Oh, it must be coming from the current image. Ah, that's probably why. Got it. I'm not removing katana from that. That would be why. All right, this should work now. these should work now. Let's double check what is. So let's refresh. And so we should go down. So let's go right. Yep, stack right katana. Boom. All right, let's push up to fix. That's exciting. Okay, now it should be working. And what we're testing is that I can just put the images in there. And I got the actual fighting images going correctly too. Did I see the song? Yeah, I think I responded to it too. If you get 5 subscribers on Twitch in the next week, I'll make Mac compatibility. I don't think that's going to happen. That's sad. Web development. Oh yeah, that's right. I put it in the music channel for you, and then I responded in there. Because I think you put it in the general channel. No, where did you put it? Oh, you put it in the welcome channel. That's where you put it randomly. But yeah, I did see it, and then I went here. Yeah, I mean, what you have there is really cool. Like I said, it has a lot of potential. There's obviously a lot of like dead space at the end that you probably should cut off, but I was thinking it sounded pretty good. Hey, Polov, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. You know, this is blood, sweat, and tears. A lot of tears. No, I don't cry over this. This is the fun part. But I appreciate it. As well as this song. This is for your comment. Stuff, how's it going? Thank you. Yeah, I'm pretty much, this is before the boss fight, this is the last functionality I have to finish, which is just getting weapons working again with the new everything that I built. Well, let's see here. So now when I equip the sword, static images should work. I completely changed the way that I did the I'm handling weapons now because I need it to be dynamic. I need you to take this game engine and be able to add any weapon you want. And it might not be the most elegant solution, crazy, you know, like layering and, you know, dynamic movement that you can define, but it makes the most sense for this game engine. So let's see here. We go to weapons, go to sword, and equip. It should equip. I'm going to change my image. What happened? Oh yeah, there you go. There it is. You see the sword? It worked. Cool. Now I have a katana on my back. And if you equip the regular weapon again, now I'm back to normal. So now all I need to do is make an image with me having a katana on my back for every image. I don't know why it's not using the katana image anymore. That's weird. Because it is resetting. What did I do? Oh, okay. You know what? I think I need to not pass direction. Yeah, because like right now I'm passing direction. I think I need to not do that. That way it auto adds it. You know what though? think maybe I do need this, or I'll pass nothing, maybe. But I do need a way of telling that this is a weapons change. So like weapon change false. If it is a weapon change, I need to add the weapon to the end of the image. This. Let's just do this is weapon equals weapon change, and then it'll be window.current weapon, right? Like that. Oh no, that's already built into current weapon. Otherwise, nothing. And then we'll do this is weapon. Cool. Yeah, this should work. We'll double check it locally real quick and I'll push it up again. You just got finished working on a new song. Hell yeah. Do it, man. I actually just got a gig today. I'm going to be doing some singing and screaming on a some UK rappers song. It's a pretty cool song somebody sent me. So maybe I'll have that in my music list. I'll show you guys. Okay, let's go back to local real quick and let's double check that it starts as a katana. So if I go to regular weapon, see, it's not changing. That's weird. Let me refresh, double check. Because this was working before. So now if I select this, I should turn into a katana. No, it's not working. Okay, why you no work? Because if it's a weapon, then I should be using current weapon in the ID. Or how about if it's a weapon and fist does not equal window.current weapon. Maybe. Well, let's at least see what I'm getting here. This is weapon. Screwed that up. I spelled that wrong. Redemption. Try again. Okay. Switch. Go. Nothing. So that means that weapon change is not coming out correctly. Set static image. Maybe it's because now I'm not putting anything. Oh, this is equip. That's different. No, it's not different. Yeah, I'm equipping. Yeah, it should be correct. The stuff on the end of that song, that's just nothing, is maybe not a short because it's... Oh. Ah. Got it. So you were uploading it to YouTube or whatever? I mean... I guess if you didn't upload it as a phone view as well, it wouldn't be a short. You can make it like landscape. Okay. So something's going wrong. Let's switch this to down just to see if that'll make this work again. Maybe. All right, switch back to katana. Okay, that worked. So I guess I have to put down. And I can switch back. All right, cool. Now let's push this back up. And we'll call it Day. Fucking I, dude. Push. And then we'll go back. And we'll try to get all the images with me having a sword on my back. So when I'm walking around, I have the sword equipped. And then I need to create the animation of me actually swinging the sword. 3 animations. There's normal, big attack, there's like heavy attack, and then there's charged attack. 3 different attacks, 3 different strengths. And I need to figure out how I'm going to animate all 3. I'll need to give it image slots for all 3. And I'll need to add the logic to switch between the 3. But let's get at least be walking around with his sword working. Orbem Studio. Whoosh. Perfectos. Never played that song the same twice. I really got to figure out how to like turn that into a full song, because I like it and I've been playing it for like 20 years. All right, let's see if this shit's working now. Continue. I also need to style these to be clickable looking. Yay, there we go. So now it works. And then we'll do this. Perfect. And that's me. Static. Awesome. Exciting. Do 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 do. Yeah, let's do image, flip. Sure. And this is katana. There's left. And then let's, might as well do the walking animation. The only problem is I'm going to need to move the sword around a bit because he's kind of bobbing a bit. So let's do this. Let's do this. And then he goes down to here. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try that. Yeah, so now the sword's kind of moving with him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll go to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now it's like, yeah, now it's moving with him. Okay, cool. So go pop. And then it stays a couple times. And then he starts going down. Right here. Oh, wait. And now he starts going down again. Dot, 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 dot. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then he goes back up. Perfect. And he goes back up. To here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And he starts to go down again, actually. All right. There you go. And you see, the sword is moving with him, but it's kind of jostling on its own. So it looks like it's on, like hanging off him. No, I don't have like a scabbard or anything. It's just kind of hanging on his back. Maybe there's something behind him. You don't know. We'll figure it out. When he's walking up, I'm going to have to show something holding it on. What? So let's go ahead and do this GIF. Do that GIF. All right. GIF it up. And we're going to do walking right. Walking. I guess it's just right. Right static. Right static GIF. Okay. That's fine. Right. Katana. And then we'll flip-a-daze it. Image, flip. And we'll do the same thing. Call it left. Right katana, left katana. Cool, now we have some walking. Let's upload those and see what those look like. So we have static left. Grame, katana, 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 katana. Actually, let's get rid of the statics. We have right, left. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah, we have statics. Oh, I already did right, though. So right now I'm doing... Which one am I doing right now? I don't know. I think I'm doing walking to the right. I am not. That's static right. Wait. The titles... Okay, static left. And yet static left. There we go. That's static left. This is static right. That's static left. And then I need walking. Here's right. And then here's left. Cool. All right, let's see how those look. All right. Yeah, it looks good. Now I have a katana. Do, 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 do. And if I switch back to no weapon, no katana. Perfectos. Now we need is up and down with the katana. And then we need to work on punch. So I got that right now. See, pop, 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 pop. So I have the images ready to be used, which is cool. All right, let's get out of here. Don't need. Yep, we don't need these anymore. Oop. And if you're wondering why we're not working on the level right now, it's because I ran out of credits for Midjourney, so I can't make any pixel art designs right now. Which is pretty annoying, but now we need walking up. Let's do walking up. Did you solve the speed issue? Yeah, I think I did. I feel like I kind of saw it again happen, but more than not, I think I have even walking faster than the rest of everybody. I was able to do my speed, test and trigger both things. But hey, Alonzo, how's it going? Welcome to the party. But now we're working on the weapons, which I need to get out of here and look for grain. And I need walking up. Walking up. So I could just use the GIF and add to it, but I'd rather have the PSD so I can get the original, which I should have. Here's walking right. Walking right. There's punch up. Here's walking up. Is this it? No, that's my old one, which looks like shit. I gotta figure. I might not have saved walking up. I should have, though. I sure should have. That's walking up the old one. Punch down, walking down. Yeah, maybe I don't have it. Interesting. Okay, I might just have to latch on to the GIF and re-export it. Which would be Graham up, walking left, walking right, drag. And Graham walking up. Is this the old or the new one? This is the new one. Okay. So now I need to go here. I basically need to add a layer on the very tippy top showing the katana, which I think I have right here. Perfectos. And it's going to look like about that big. Yep, that's about right. Okay. So now it'll look like that. So I kind of have to sway the katana. The katana. Oh, also it's see-through apparently. So I'm going to need to fix that. Let's change the pencil. And let's fill this in with white. I did not know the katana was not filled in already. That is very interesting. I must have pulled out all the white from the image. Alright. Now let's do that. Yeah, there you go. Now you can't see through it anymore. Alright, now let's move this thing around. So we got, first off, there's good. And then there's kind of down. So let's pull it down a little bit. Good. Oh. Good. Let's go off to the left a little bit. There we go. That actually looks almost correct. I guess it can go up a little bit more. Okay. Okay. Almost there. Ooh, it moved perfectly. No. Looking pretty good. All right, see how it looks. Looking pretty natch. Though I just realized that I'm an idiot and I should have put the strap on first. But I think I can fix that by drawing on the first one. So let's do that. I don't really know how I'm gonna attach it because I don't want to show anything on the front, so I can't put like a strap around it, around the whole thing. So maybe, I don't know, just like a fucking patch back here that it sticks into. We'll do something brown. Like his hair. Something custom. A little pocket. Never seen one of these before. Let's give it some highlight. Give it some shadow. That is not dark enough. That's shadow. There you go. Why not? Although it kind of comes off when you get over here. So I might need to draw some extra. Which is now on the whole thing. All right, maybe I should undo that. Yeah, it's not a big deal. Okay, cool. I'm exporting this. So now we have the, oh, I need to get the static view of this as well. We have up, walking, up, katana. Cool, and then I need the static, which will be one of these, which is probably like that. Yeah, that'll work. Where's the static down? Down static, katana. Oh, hold on. Let's change it to a PNG. Why not? Static down. Son of a bitch. Static up. Static down. Okay. Let's upload those two and see what they look like. So we have static up. No, let's drag. Oh shit, did I save that as down? I meant up. Oh, did I save both of those as down? I did. I'm an idiot. Those are up. And the GIF needs to be up, walking up. That's up static, walking up. Okay, I did do walking up. Cool, 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 cool. So static down, katana. Let's upload that and walking. Cool. So it's gonna be static. Cool. And then where's walking? Oh, just up. Make sure that looks good. So, yeah, look at that. Looks good. Oh, static's not working. What did I do? What did I do? Did I upload it to the wrong field? Static up drag. Oh, I did. I put in static down. I'm an idiot. Static up. Here we go. Memory is fucking dumb. Oh, that's why we're showing the up on the down. Got it. Oh, I'm getting cold. Perfect. And now we have walking with the katana. Walking up. Walking up is looking pretty good. Stack is good. Cool. Let's get down going. And then it's the actual like slashing, which I might not be able to do because I kind of want to animate that with AI as well. Okay, so we need walking up. No, we need walking down. I guess I'll just do the same thing and use the GIF. So let's get rid of this. No. Let's open up the walking down. Walking down looks pretty good. But now, how's it look when I have a katana in my hand? Not in my hand, on my back. Speaking of back, I need to put this under me. Under where? Good question. Oh, what the fuck? God damn it, I hate when that happens. Oh, hold on, I don't want to touch anything but this one. There we go. Okay. Let's get the sizing right. Alright, that's pretty good. A big ass sword. Or he's just short. Hold on, let me actually see the length. So I shouldn't go over his head. Yeah, okay, let's not go over his hair. So it should be more like that. And then this should be a little shorter as well. Yeah, more like that. I know it's subtle, but if you don't have the sword, then it makes no sense. All right, this is a short animation, luckily, so let's go boop. Mm-hmm. Okay. He's really swaying back and forth, huh? All right. Okay. Yep. Subtle. I think I should go up a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. The subtle movements are hard. But it'll all pay off when it looks not noticeable. Oh, from here to here. Here to here. Uh-oh. It's way over now. That's not bad. A little jiggle, but he's walking with a sword, so I just kind of wish you could see it more. It's like I should technically want to do one of those, but then it's not really centered with him. So that makes me think that I didn't angle it enough. It should be more like that. Which I'm gonna have to change everything again. Oh no, that changed everything. Yeah, there you go. Wait. Oh no, I can't do that one. Yeah. I mean, honestly, I can get rid of the last frame. All right, that's good enough. I'm nitpicking. So let's do down walking. Oh, that's not a good image. So let's do GIF. Down walking, walking, walking down. Katana. Okay, now let's find a good, there you go. And this will be down static. There it is. All right. And now we should have all the walking images when he has a katana equipped. That's pretty cool. I don't have drag. I'll also have to do all the drags. But whatever. All right, down is the down walking. Let's get those both in there. And then I need down static, which would just be this, static katana. I don't think there's a separate down one. Oh, there is a separate down one. Whatever. I'll use the same one. I forgot about that. Okay, update. And now he should start with the katana. Yep, there we go. Fantastic. And if we want to make him look normal, equip. Oh shit, I'm using the wrong fucking image. Oh no, I used the wrong GIF. Hold on, I think... God damn it. I'm gonna have to redo this whole thing. I'm an idiot. I just realized there was a newer one, and I didn't use the newer one. He was walking down newer, which looks more like him. I should have realized that. And it's a shit ton longer too, which is great. All right, redo. Pay no attention to what you just saw. I'm an idiot. Katana. Okay. So let's make sure this is perfect. Sizing wise, let's give it a little bit more angle so I can see it. That should have been a tell. I couldn't see it over his fucking hair. All right, that's better, but let's angle it more because it's getting cut off. Okay, there's the starting point. Oh shit, I should have put that here. Yeah, there we go. There's the starting point. So it starts like that. And it goes here. Sure. Sorry, I just realized I wasn't talking at all. It's just like such subtle movement. It's so hard to pay attention. Without like complete focus. And yeah, you have to be subtle or it looks weird. GIF animation, almost done. So it just has to like barely move with him. It's almost getting cut off too, which I was worried about. But it seems like it's okay. A few more. And then we're done. All right. Looking good. That's a major sway you got there, bud. Let's resave this shit though. And then we got down, walking down. Here we go. Let's replace you. And then let's get the good. There's the start. And that will be our walking down static. Fantastic. And let's re-upload. Come here. So we have static. Should have known his hair was all different. Dum dum. There's a static. And then static down, do the same thing. Here's the walking down, which I should have also realized was wrong. That's fine. All right, no harm, no foul. Everything's back to correct. Let's see what it looks like. So we have boop, nothing, and then we add a katana. Now we have a katana. See, doesn't it look so much more natural? And then if you don't want katana, you can do equip. Actually, what does unequip do? Now I think about it, will it bring it back to fist? I think unequip is only for gear, because you can turn gear off and on. But yeah, I don't think I could do it otherwise. All right, big win. So now we can basically handle walking around with katana. All we need now is the swipe animation, which, like I said, I don't know if I want to do that yet. but I do like the way that the katana is looking. It's much more, you know, built into the animation of the person. You see it like it moves with him. I definitely put the katana higher on the up and down than on the left and the right. I could have made it bigger on the left and the right now that I look at it. But that's okay. All right, I think actually, because of all the work I did today earlier, that I'm in a really good position to stop for tonight. What I really want to do next is test actually hitting. It would be nice to have the animation, but we also need to get the heavy attack and the no, this is heavy attack and then the charged attack working. And to do that, I need to create 2 new fields for weapons. I need there to be a charge in the heavy attack animation image, not just punch up, punch down, punch left, punch right. It needs to be heavy up as well, heavy down. Oh, I guess I need 1 for each. Because the animations are going to change. And right now I have like specific classes being added when that happens, but I think instead of doing those classes, I will switch to the charged image, the light, the heavy image, which makes sense because yeah, right now we have this logic here that actually adds a class. Where is it? So yeah, like heavy engage. So this adds heavy engaged. Right. This is false. Contains heavy engage. If heavy attack is not happening, then reset weapon. Yeah, okay. But so I'll leave the classes because it looks like I do have some logic built into them, but I'll also put the image switching logic in here as well, which I can do based off of if it has those classes, now that I think about it. I think so, at least. So like the punch classes, or the punch images, I mean, that's happening, I think, around here. Yeah, because this is just adding those classes. But this doesn't do the punching image swap. But I think what I can do is I can use these classes, like I said, to understand what to do. And the charge attack is actually 2 images. It's like a charging animation, and then when you let go, it's like the slash animation. So that'll be a little bit more difficult. I'll have to put a set timeout on that one. Okay. So seems like this grabs the weapon animation. And then this is switching the image. Okay. But now what I can do is actually grab this per type of attack, which will be handled down here instead of it just happening right here. Right? Oh wait, is weapon animation? Oh no, never mind. That's not, this is the images. How am I doing the image with the katana? I think it's grabbing the current image and then you adding katana because it has, right. Current image map character. This is the current image, and then when you swing, I just add punch to it. Yeah, and this is supposed to add like, get like the weapon itself, which doesn't work. This is more important here, which I'm adding a class for some reason. Oh, I think it's to do the hitbox. That'll also come in handy. But how do I do the swapping of it? Because this isn't actually doing the punch image swap. It's just the classes. In that case, we need to look for punch. So those are classes, but I need to actually, that's static. How am I actually doing the punch? Interesting. Yeah, because it's all for static here. Is this how I'm doing it? Weapon animation? Oh, yeah, maybe I am. Actually, now I think about it, I am doing that. This is the image. This is the old image. I'm adding punch to the old image. Punched. That's weird. Okay, so this is actually doing the image swap. In that case, then yeah, like I said, I need to do it based off of whether it's normal or not. So then I need this to be defined, whether it's a heavy or a not or whatever. Can I do that? Because that gets rid of that. It would have to be here. Oh, yeah. So this is to set timeout. If it's a heavy attack, it takes a little bit longer. Yeah, weapon time. Because some weapons are bigger than others. So I was trying to define that. So this is removing a gauge. So I'm guessing this is when I let go. Event is key up. Okay, so this is, yeah, that's right. I do the animation on key up. And then I set timeout. Got it. So then this needs to happen based off of heavy attack or heavy engage. Oh, what the fuck? So this is adding it. With the set timeout. Okay, this is for shift for the heavy attack. Okay. So yeah, in this case, where I do this, I should be doing a new definition for the image. So I want to grab a different image. So I really shouldn't be doing this. Or I could be, but I just need to be redefining it down here. Right here. So it'd be like that, weapon type, heavy. And then, where am I removing? Weapons class, let's remove. Weapon is the current one, right? Oh, current is right here. I'm adding punch, and then I'm showing this punched. So punched must be hiding the image. Oh, that's right. I think I was doing that to make it so I don't have to switch back. I just remove punched and it shows again. Yeah, see, I'm removing punched again. Right here. And removing H. Okay, I get it. So instead we should do this. I guess we don't have to do this because when it's hitting, it's already adding the punched. So I just need to make sure that this is correct. But I also need to make sure that this is not getting hit. And to do that, I need to check the weapon class lists. Where's weapon being defined? I mean, I don't think it would have been hit yet, though. Yeah, this is hard. I'm gonna run into race conditions. Yeah, this one's hard. Because I could be punching. I let go, hit shift, and then hit again. And if I do that, I want to use a different image. But to do that, I need to stop doing the current image. So it would be basically weapon animation heavy, and then weapon animation normal. Well, I guess I could just get the current image that's being, oh, yeah, that has engage. Which would be this. But that gets changed down here because I'm adding engage to this one. What is happening when I just punch? I need to see this. Because this one doesn't lose. Oh shit. Yeah, see, this one doesn't lose engage. Punch just happens. And when punch happens, this stops showing. And then katana, punch right, gets engage. When I let go. So then, yeah, I just need to do this. That, or maybe I can run this this shit first. Because this is doing the whole shift thing. No. Yeah, this is shift pressed. Which happens, yeah, here. Yeah, this is hard. Trying to think if there's another way of doing this. I can leave the current logic alone. I can't, I have to show a different image. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. We can figure this one out tomorrow. All right, let's run through the list. Alonzo, thanks so much for jumping in. I'm glad you are keeping track, and happy to talk more about this next time. Steph, glad to see you again, my friend. Thanks so much for jumping on. Paula, I hope you're subscribed, but I really appreciate your comment and trying to be impressive. That's all I do here. So as that boy with Dream, have an amazing day, your next day, and I will catch you all in the next one. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everybody.